For this set I want it simple and elegant, so I'm going to be doing a coffin or ballerina shape. I've already applied my easy tips from Glitter Planet, which are these long stiletto nail tips, and I'm just going to use the tip cutters to trim them down to the length that I want. And yeah, that is how simple it is to create this tapered coffin shape with these tips. I'll link them down below if you are interested in them, and I hope you love them if you try them. Let's get to the video.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
I'm going to be using Soft White, which is a brand new powder available now on the website. You guys are going to love it. We worked so hard on this. Now, it's not your typical soft white. It has got some pink undertones and the formulation is super buttery, perfect to apply, and it's just stunning. You'll see, it's gorgeous. I'm also going to pair that with Laser Lights, which is one of our original loose glitters. I love it, and also gold shards as well. So we've had this on the website for around 3 years, which I think is amazing. I'm going to be using the Perfect Pink core powder, and that's what we're going to do the Baby Boomer ombre with. And yeah, let's get into the video. As I said, I've already prepped my hand, I've got my tips on and I've trimmed them down, and I'm coming in with that soft white. Can we just see how beautiful it is? Honestly, I was doing this video and I was going to speed up the process of the acrylic application, but I was like, you know what, it is super mesmerizing. But then I also remember seeing somebody comment down below saying that you can kind of speed up anyway. You can double tap and it'll go fast motion. I'm not sure if that speeds up all of the voices and the voiceover, but if you're not listening, then I guess it works. But yeah, I left it in real-time motion so you can really see how this product lays, how beautiful it is to apply. So I'm coming in with that Perfect Pink at the cuticle area. I'm just placing down the bead, allowing it to level for just a second before pushing it into place. And then my camera went out of focus, which is why I skipped a little bit there. But anyway, look how beautiful that acrylic ombre blend is. Like, can it get any more seamless? I think not. It's so stunning. I do another one on the other nails, so I'm pretty sure I caught the whole process on that. Anyway, moving on. I feel like I've said anyway about 15 times. Ugh, why am I doing this? Let's move on to the next nail. I'm going to apply that Perfect Pink cover powder at the cuticle area. I'm allowing it to level just for a few seconds, and then I'm going to push it into position, and as you can see, it forms a really nice, gorgeous shape. Because of the nail mate powders, the way they are formulated allows them to level and keep and hold their shape, but also so that they can be moved around easily, which is what I absolutely love about our system. I've pulled that core powder about halfway down the nail, and then I've picked up some of the loose glitter, just using some clear acrylic, and I'm placing that on the nail and just moving it around to where I want it. When you're applying your loose glitter, as I've said in many videos, but just in case you missed it, make sure that you are laying it flat. You don't want any pieces overhanging or sticking up or just being crazy and all over the place, because that is going to cause issues when you come and cap your nails. But not only that, it could cause issues with the structure as well. I'm coming in and adding some gold shards over the top, only a couple. I literally just wanted to kind of create this soft glam, like we're kind of moving into autumn vibe. So we've not gone full on copper and the warm tones, we're just edging in there with the subtle kind of pinks and golds, kind of rose gold colour. I thought it would just be a really nice way to kind of transition over, and then we'll do the full-on autumn set in the next video, which I'm very excited about. Moving on to the next nail, this is going to be another ombre. This is going to be the one where we apply the butterfly sticker, and it just looks absolutely stunning. So again, I'm coming in with that soft white. If you were applying this on a client, I would recommend using a clear base. I always use a clear base no matter what, because I tend to change my designs a lot, or if you're working on clients, it's just easier at that next appointment to change the design without having to do a full removal. I'm coming in with that soft white and I'm blending it down the nail, making sure that it's nice and even, and I've also blended it up the nail so that it's feathered out and not harsh. But since it is a soft white, you're not going to kind of get that real harsh line anyway. Also, just out of interest, for those of you that do take clients and have clients, do you use a clear base and file back down to that each time, or do you soak off and remove and do a fresh set every time? I always wondered, and when I was a nail tech and doing nails consistently in a salon, I really struggled with how to kind of do the maintenance side of it, and back then there weren't any videos showing how to do that or what you should do or anything like that, so I kind of had to figure it out. But yeah, let's have that discussion in the comments. Do you soak off and do a redesign, or do you file back to that clear base and then do your redesign on top? Let me know down below. Hopefully we can get a discussion going and keep it interesting, and everyone can learn some things in the comments. I'm coming in with Perfect Pink, which is absolutely perfect. I mean, it says it all. I'm applying it at the cuticle area and then blending over that soft white, and absolutely stunning. Such a subtle ombre, absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to try the soft white with the toasted rose as well, and with the pure pink. I just think it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. I'm just applying a wash of soft white, so I've picked up a medium bead, quite wet, and I'm just basically painting it onto the nail. I don't want to build up any thickness. I'm literally using it as a base so that my glitter applies easier. I've picked up the glitter with clear acrylic and I'm applying it onto the nail, and because I've already applied that wet slip layer as such, it's going to tack and attach to the nail, and making sure that everything is encased all the way around with acrylic and not just above it. I don't know if anybody's ever done it before, where you've done a nail and you've had glitter and you kind of can, I think it's hard to explain, but it's like if you don't encase the glitter completely with acrylic both sides, you can get some separation or a weakness of that nail, and just by adding that layer below it wet, it just means that it's gonna really encapsulate it all and add more strength. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Hopefully it made sense. A bit random, I know, but all these tips, and if you are learning and expanding your skills, may come in handy for you. I'm using the butterfly stickers. I'll link this exact sheet down below in the description box, along with all the other products that I'm using as well. And I'm just picking off the one that I felt just looked super pretty, and it had kind of the pinks, the purples, some of the gold in the wings, as well as that holographic colour as well. Making sure to press it down and rub it on the nail. You want to make sure that everything is laying and in contact with the nail. Otherwise, when you encapsulate, you'll notice that your sticker has a bubble under it, and it just looks so annoying. So excuse me, definitely take the time to make sure it is laying and rubbed into the nail. So I'm encapsulating that nail in crystal clear. Nail Make Crystal Clear acrylic is the most crystal clear acrylic. It is bubble free, it levels beautifully, it's gorgeous to work with, it's just absolutely stunning. If you haven't tried it yet, you should. And for those of you that are international and are wondering, can I try it if I've not got the monomer? Yes, you can, as long as you're going to use a top quality professional grade monomer. Like, don't be going on eBay or Wish and kind of getting all these kits, because it's just not going to work pairing a professional product with something of a lesser quality. So just pair it with a professional grade monomer and you'll be absolutely fine. I promise you, you will absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. I'm just going to go ahead and cap all the rest of the nails. I've sped this process up a little as well so it's not as boring. I'm not sure if you find it boring. I don't know. Let me know down below. Should I speed through these kind of bits? Should I just show one nail, or do you want to see the whole process? I never know what to do. I'm always on the fence. But yeah, I've sped it up this time. But yeah, if you haven't already and you're new here, please do subscribe. I would love it if you could stick around and stay for more nail tutorials. I'm going to be going back to my videos where I'm on camera. We've moved house, we've got a bit more settled, and we are hopefully going to get back to it. I'm excited for that. You guys enjoyed those videos, I enjoyed filming them, and it was just really, really fun. I'm coming in with super gloss and I'm going to apply this to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in the light for a full 60 seconds, and this is going to give us that super high gloss shine that just lasts and lasts. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this top coat is humor free and it doesn't have a tacky layer, so there's nothing to wipe off. As soon as it comes out of the lamp, it's good to go. If you are going to apply cuticle oil to your clients after you have cured the top coat, please wait for at least 30 seconds. Just let that cool a little bit, because if you come in straight away with that oil, it may dull the shine of the top coat. That's for any brand, not just ours. It's something that I learnt and I was doing it wrong for so long. I was like, what is happening? Why is this happening? Anyway, that's what it was. So I'm passing on that knowledge to you just in case you're having the same trouble and you're not sure what it is. So yeah, adding the top coat, I'm going to cure in the light, and then I'll show you guys the final look. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed creating this classy kind of moving into autumn set. I think it really kind of hit the nail on the head with what I was trying to create. I think it turned out really, really pretty, and I think it's a very wearable set in any length that you would want to wear it in. So guys, after I've cured, this is the final look. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Like it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let's have that discussion, and yeah, I'll see you in the comments and I will be replying. I will see you in my next video, and hopefully you did enjoy this. Always remember guys, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!